So yun guys, ito na, may natanggap na tayo na you unlock the ability to earn with ads on Reels. Start earning money today or turn off ads. So okay, start natin yung money today by tap this notification. And after that, tap natin itong start earning button. Okay. Yan, pwede na tayong mag-rate ng Reels, earn money from ads on your Reels, get paid for play. Okay, start earning. Tapos, select nyo yung business info nyo. Then, after nyo ma-select yung business info, tap nyo yung next button. Then, okay, success. You can start earning money for ads on Reels. Now, okay, we have successfully na-unlock natin yung pinakang ads on Reels. Tap done button. Okay. So, ito na. So, zero pa earning natin. So, start na tayo na kumita sa ads on Reels. Okay. Yun lang and thank you for watching.